Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate US Bank Altitude Go credit card step by step clearly. To activate your US Bank Altitude Go credit card, start by locating your card. Ensure you have it in hand along with your personal information. Visit the official US Bank website or open the US Bank mobile app. If using the website, look for the Activate Card option on the homepage. For mobile app users, sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one using your personal and card information. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Select the option that says Activate Card. Input the required information, such as your card number, and double-check the information for accuracy before clicking Submit. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your card is successfully activated. If you prefer activating by phone, locate the phone number on the card sticker. Call the customer service number and follow the prompts provided. You'll need to provide the card number and personal identification details over the phone. After confirmation, your card will be activated immediately. You can now start using your US Bank Altitude Go credit card for purchases. Remember to sign the back of your card before using it. Keep your card in a secure place to protect it from unauthorized use. Enjoy the benefits that come with your new credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.